Hi, this is 17th video on district Brahmanbaria district post in front you. So now my topics is Titas Children's Park. Titas Children's Park has been set up at Shimrailkandi area of the district in Brahmanbaria. It is named Titas Children's Park because it is located on the bank of the river Titas. At the initiative of the district administration, various play facilities for children were built inside the walled area. It has 15 decimal cash plays. At present, 8 installations, including swing and wheelbarrow, have been set up in the park. More play materials will be placed here. There is a lake of children's entertainment center in the Brahmanbaria. With the construction of a park at this place in Titaspar, children will be able to enjoy the Titas River as well as the joy of the park. Okay, that's all for today. I will inform you with the new topics, new interesting subject. Allah Hafiz.